Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Icemanjhey. I do apologize, I haven't been uploading. The reason why is because I've been having problems with my clutch, and I've been having problems with like the whole clutch system and stuff like that. And I don't want to, give you guys boring content. So that's why I haven't really uploaded like that. I do apologize. But I got something special for you guys. I'm about to show y'all right now. So basically, this is what I did today. And I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. But basically, last piece for what I need, which is the C-Mac delete kit and the master cylinder to complete my clutch setup. I had already bought the clutch, I just hadn't bought the C-Mac delete kit and the master cylinder. I bought that today. It's currently Thursday, October 15th, 9:54 a.m. right? So I bought that. I actually been having the clutch for a while, about like almost a month, I think, maybe, or like 2 to 3 weeks, something like that. Anyway, yeah, I've had it for a while. That one is a UPT stage 3 6-puck, and mind you, I'm on a stock clutch right now. Obviously, you guys know I'm bolt-on tuned on E85, so my clutch is like terrible. I'll post a clip somewhere around here of a run that I had the other day with a 7-speed automatic Z, and you guys will hear how bad the clutch slip is on my car. But we're gonna get that taken care of. I hit up the owner of Z Speed. I said, yo, when can you get this shipped to me? He said today. So I paid for it, and he already sent me the tracking info and everything like that. So we're good to go on that. And yeah, so basically I have everything that I need: the clutch, the C-Mac delete kit, and the master cylinder. The reason why I went with the C-Mac delete kit is because, for those of you that don't know, the slave cylinder is found inside of the transmission for the 370Zs. So in order to change out the slave cylinder, you gotta drop the whole trans, go into transmission, take out the slave, and everything like that. That's why I haven't brought you guys content, so I do apologize. I will be doing an install video too. I won't be the one doing the work. It'll be my my good friend, so he's gonna help me with that. And I'll record the whole process and everything like that of what's it called, of the whole install and everything like that. So I do got some more content coming. I do apologize that I've been laying low. I am not ducking the YouTube or anything like that. It's just I didn't have content, and I want to put out quality videos for you guys. I don't want to, you know what I'm saying, I don't want to put something that I don't feel comfortable uploading. If I don't think it's good, I feel like you guys won't think it's good. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm waiting on now. Now it's just a waiting game on it. Once I get the delete kit, then I'll record that. And when I go back in the house, I'm gonna show you guys the clutch that I went with and the flywheel as well. But for now, y'all hear that cold start? That thing is crazy. See that? That thing is crazy. But like I said, that's why I didn't want to bring you guys boring content. And I actually was so excited because your boy had, y'all hear that? That's my slave cylinder. That little whooshy sound. Look, listen. Y'all hear it? Now, listen to this when I press on the clutch. When I press on the clutch, it'll go away. Just listen. Y'all hear that? It's so bad. It always happens on cold starts too, which is the crazy part. I had some fire content coming. I had what's it called, registered for Import Expo, got approved and everything, right, with the rest of my crew members and everything like that, right? By the way, if you guys aren't following the crew or me on IG, I'll leave everything down in the description. All right, so give us a follow, give them a follow, give me a follow. And yeah, I post a lot more on IG than I do here for right now. But like I was saying, I had gotten approved and everything like that. Come to find out, when I asked my job about the days off, they went ahead and said, we can't give you the days off because somebody else already took the days that you want off. So that kind of blew me. I asked them what they could do about it, this and that, and they basically said we can't do anything because those days are already approved and they submitted the paperwork before you. But it was because I didn't know about Import Expo until like they had posted the flyer, and then about 2 days later is when I applied. I didn't know if I was gonna get approved or not. But yeah, there goes that. I was planning on recording and having so much fun and content for you guys, but that went down the drain. So I gotta figure something else out. But in the meantime, I mean, I got content coming. Don't worry, we got content coming for sure. You just gotta be patient with me. Like I said, got this install video coming, and then I could do like a before and after type of thing, and then breaking it in process and everything like that. Just let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll do whatever you guys want to see. But nonetheless, I gotta go move my car because they stay giving tickets out. They already caught me once already out here, so you know, I can't keep giving people free money, you know, when I need the money myself to buy some more car parts. But yeah, nothing else has changed. Actually, I forgot to show you guys, I didn't make a video on this, but I went ahead and I got some, hold on, I don't know if you guys can see it, honeycomb carbon fiber mirror caps. And then this on the other side, right here, right there. I gotta clean it up. I haven't washed my car, so it's kind of dirty. Do apologize. I got these off of Alliance Carbon. Very cool dude. Got this decal right here, Carbon Fiber Gang. Follow them on IG as well. I'll leave all the links down in the description below so you guys can follow. But yeah, I got the Alliance Carbon, as you can see right there. So I picked those up. Very good quality. Love the honeycomb carbon. And me and Alliance are working together for something very special. So stay tuned for that. I think you guys will approve, and I think you guys will like it. So just stay tuned with me. I got a couple more videos coming out. This was kind of like a little update of what's been going on. But trust me, guys, I got content coming. I'm telling you, just be patient with me, and we're gonna come back a little stronger, you know. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. I wanted to give you guys an update and give you guys like a little cold start or whatever. But I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace. All right, so like I was telling you guys, I was gonna show you guys the clutch kit. So I've been having this sitting here for a while. Look at that. I got this right here. Right. Pressure plate. Got that right there. Here it is. 6-puck. Stage 3 6-puck. And then I don't want to take it all out, but chromoly flywheel. I think that this one's like 19 pounds or something like that. Not sure. But this is everything that I need to install. And once all of this is in, we'll be good to go and ripping it back on the streets. So can't wait for that.